Does medication for weight management have an expiration date? Yes. Zepbound expires and should not be used beyond the expiration date, as expired medication may have reduced potency and cannot be guaranteed safe or effective. Before we dive in, a quick note. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always follow your prescribers and pharmacists' instructions and reach out to your healthcare provider if you have specific questions about your medication. So let's talk about Zepbound expiration. Yes, Zepbound does expire, and this is something every patient using this medication needs to understand. Like all prescription medications, Zepbound has a defined shelf life. The expiration date represents the final day the manufacturer can guarantee the medication's full potency, safety, and sterility when it's been stored correctly. After that date, those guarantees no longer apply. This matters especially for Zepbound because it's a peptide-based medication. Peptides are more sensitive to environmental factors than some other types of drugs, which is why following expiration dates and storage guidelines is so important for your treatment. So where do you find the expiration date? It's printed on both the outer carton and on each individual pen. Look for the letters EXP followed by the date, usually in month and year format. Make it a habit to check this date when you receive your medication and before each injection. Now, what actually happens if Zepbound expires? The main concern is loss of potency. As the peptide degrades over time, the medication becomes less effective. This means you might not get the therapeutic benefit you need for your weight management treatment. Beyond reduced effectiveness, the manufacturer can no longer guarantee the medication's safety or sterility once it's past the expiration date. This is why you should never use Zepbound after the expiration date has passed. If you discover your medication has expired, contact your healthcare provider or pharmacy to get a replacement. Proper storage is key to making sure your Zepbound stays effective up until that expiration date. Unopened pens need to be refrigerated at 36 to 46 degrees Fahrenheit. That's standard refrigerator temperature. If you need to, you can keep unopened pens at room temperature up to 86 degrees, but only for a maximum of 21 days or by the expiration date, whichever comes first. This can be helpful if you're traveling, but you'll want to track how long it's been out of the fridge. Remember that Zepbound comes in single-dose pre-filled pens. Each pen is used once and then discarded immediately. Never try to reuse a pen, and never share your medication with anyone else, even if they have the same prescription. When it's time to dispose of used or expired pens, follow FDA guidelines for safe disposal. Many communities have medication take-back programs. If that's not available, you can use an FDA-cleared sharps disposal container. Never throw pens directly in household trash or recycling. If you're not sure about proper disposal in your area, ask your pharmacist. They can point you to local resources. Here's what's important to remember. Always check expiration dates before using Zepbound. Store unopened pens in the refrigerator or at room temperature for no more than 21 days or until the expiration date, whichever comes first. And never use medication that's expired or has been stored improperly. If you have questions about your medication's expiration date, storage, or if you've accidentally used expired Zepbound, reach out to your healthcare provider. They can give you personalized guidance based on your specific situation. Have you found any helpful ways to keep track of expiration dates for your medications? Drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more information about weight management medications.